Jai Hind, my dear students. The points we have discussed in the previous video: fractions, addition, subtraction and multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to study the division of fractions. Before studying division of fraction, we should know the meaning of multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse. Two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other when their product is 1. Multiplicative inverse is also called reciprocal. For example, multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Change the numerator and denominator because 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 equal 6 by 6. That is equal 1. Okay students, find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the following fraction. We studied what is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal is yes, two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other when their product is 1. One fraction and its multiplicative inverse, we get the product equal to 1. So here first question is 2 by 5. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is easy to, we can write the multiplicative inverse, change the denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. So change the numerator, denominators are numerator and numerator is in denominator. Flip the numerator and denominator or change the numerator and denominator. Then see, we studied the one fraction and its multiplicative inverse, product is 1. See, 2 by 5 is the given fraction and its multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2. We can cancel 5 and 5, 2 and 2, we get 5 and 5, we get 1, 1. 2 and 2, 1. So 1 into 1, 1 by 1 into 1, 1 equal to 1. Okay, clear all of you? Then 1 by 2. The multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 is, change the denominator and numerator. Yes, 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Check this product is 1 or not. 1 by 2 is the given fraction and its multiplicative inverse is 2. Cancel 2 and 2. 1 times 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay. So, multiplicative inverse is change the numerator and denominator. Numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator. Then third question is 4 by 7. 4 by 7. So we can easy to write. Yes. 7 by 4. Then 2 by 3. Fourth question is 3 by 2. Yes. Then 9. 9 means 9 by 1. So we can write as the reciprocal is 1 by 9. Next exercise 2.4 questions. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fractions and all numbers. First question is 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is, yes, 7 by 3. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. Which type fraction? Yes, improper fraction. Second question, 5 by 8. Reciprocal is 8 by 5. 8 by 5, 8 is greater than the denominator, that is improper fraction. Then third question is 9 by 7. Reciprocal? Yes. 7 by 9. Numerator is less than the denominator? Yes. Proper fraction. Fourth question 6 by 5. Reciprocal is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 numerator is less than the denominator. So proper fraction. Fifth question 12 by 7. Reciprocal 7 by 12 is yes proper fraction. 1 by 8. Reciprocal is 8 by 1. 8 by 1 we can write as 8 by 1 as equal to 8. So that is whole number. Then 1 by 11. 1 by 11 we can write as 11 by 1. 11 by 1 that is equal to yes 11. 11 is a whole number. Clear all of you? To divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Let us divide 6 divide 3 by 5. 6 into reciprocal of 3 by 5, 5 by 3 equal 6 into 5 by 3 equal 30 by 3 equal 10. 10 divide 3 by 4. 10 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 equal 10 into 4 by 3 equal 40 by 3 equal 39 and 1 by 3. Problems on division of fractions. First question 12 divided 3 by 4. Listen students. This is the case first. To divide a whole number by a fraction, what will you do? Multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. So, 12 divided 3 by 4. So, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So then using the multiplication method, we can cancel 3 and 4. 3 and 12. 3, 12, 3 1 times 12. Yes, 4 3s are 12. So we get the numerator 4 into 4. Multiply 4 into 4, 16 by 1. 16 by 1 is equal to 16. Listen the second question. Second question is 14 divided 5 by 6. So 14 divided 5 by 6. Divided 5 by 6. Multiply the whole number. Division is changed into multiplication. Then multiply the reciprocal of the fraction. Fraction 5 by 6. Reciprocal is 6 by 5. Listen, here cancellation is not possible. So multiply the numerator 14 into 6. 14 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 2 balance. 1 6 is 6 plus 2. 8. 84 by 5. See, this is an improper fraction. So answer is write in as mixed fraction. So 84 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. 3 balance. 4 34. 6 5s are 30. Balance 4. 69 4 by 5 was the answer. Okay, same model. Another one question. Find 8 divided 7 by 3. See, here one whole number divided by a fraction. So that 8 divided by 7 by 3 multiply a reciprocal of the fraction by the whole number equal 8 division change into multiplication 7 by 3 reciprocal is yes 3 by 7 equal to multiply whole number into a fraction product of the numerator 8 into 3 24 by 7 that is equal to listen this is a improper fraction numerator is greater than the denominator. So change into mixed fraction 24 divided by 7. 3 7s are 21 balance 3. So we can write as quotient and remainder by divisor. 3 and 3 by 7 as the answer. Second question. 3 divided 2 and 1 by 3. First change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 divided 2 and 1 by 3 equal 3 divided 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7 by 3 equal to 3 division is changed into multiplication reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7 equal to multiply the numerator 3 into 3 is 9 by 7 9 by 7. See, this 9 by 7 is a improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. 9 divided by 7. 1 7 is 7 balance 2. So we can write as quotient and remainder by divisor 7. 192 by 7 as answer. Then one more question. 5 divided 3 and 4 by 7. 5 divided 3 and 4 by 7. So 5 divided mixed fraction change into improper fraction. 3 into 7 21 plus 4 25 by same denominator 7. 25 by 7 equal to 5 division is changed into multiplication then reciprocal of the fraction 25 by 7 we can write as the reciprocal is 7 by 25. Listen here, this 5 and 25 we can cancel by the highest common factor 5. 1 5 is 5. 5 5s are 25. So we get 1 into 7 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is an improper fraction. Convert into mixed. 7 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 balance. Quotient and remainder by divisor. 192 by 5 as an answer. To divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by the multiplicative inverse of the whole number. Let us divide 3 by 4 divided 8. 3 by 4, since the multiplicative inverse of 8 is 1 by 8, equal 3 into 1 by 4 into 8 equal 3 by 32. Okay students, next case second, to divide a fraction by an whole number. First question, 7 by 3 divided by 2. So to divide a fraction by a whole number, multiply the fraction by the multiplicative inverse of the whole number. So first question is 7 by 3 divided by 2. So the fraction is 7 by 3. Division change into multiplication. Multiply reciprocal of the whole number. Whole number here 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Multiply. Listen, any cancellation is possible here? Not possible. So multiply the numerator. 7 into 1, 7 by multiply the denominator 3 into 2, 6. 7 by 6 is an improper fraction. So, yes, write the answer is in mixed fraction. So, 7 by 6, 1 6 is 6, balance 1. So, we get 1 and 1 by 6 as the answer. Next question. 4 by 9 divided 5. Question is 4 by 9 divided by 5. Fraction divided by whole number. So the fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the whole number. Whole number 5, reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Then numerator 4, 1, denominator 995, no common factors. So, multiply the numerator, 4 into 1, 4 by 9 into 5 is 45. 4 by 45 is a proper fraction. So, this is the final answer, 4 by 45. Okay. Next, third question is 6 by 13 divided 7. So, 6 by 13, division change into multiplication, then multiply the reciprocal of the whole number. 7, reciprocal is 1 by 7. So, cancellation is not possible, no common factors. So, multiply 6 into 1, 6 by 13 into 7, 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21, 2 balance. 1 7 is 7 plus 2, 9. 91. 6 by 91 as the answer. Okay, next question. Find 4 and 1 by 3 divided by 3. Here, one mixed fraction divided by a whole number. That is 4 and 1 by 3 divided by 3. First change into this mixed fraction improper. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3. Equal fraction divided by a whole number. Multiply the fraction by the multiplicative inverse of the whole number. So 13 by 3 into reciprocal of 3 is yes 1 by 3 equal to 13 into 1 13 by 3 into 3 9. 13 by 9 as a improper fraction. So equal to, convert into mixed, 13 divided by 9. 1 9 is 9, balance 4. So we can write as an answer equal 1 9 4 by 9. Quotient and remainder by divisor. Then the next question is 3 and 1 by 2 divided by 4. Change into mixed fraction. 3 and 1 by 2 as an improper fraction. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 4. Then take the reciprocal of the whole number. Then multiply. 7 by 2, division change into multiplication. Yes. Multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 by 4 equal to, multiply the numerator, multiply fraction by fraction. So multiply the numerator, 7 into 1, 7 by, multiply the denominator, 2 into 4, 8. 7 by 8. See, 7 by 8 is a proper fraction. So answer is 7 by 8. Clear all of? Divide a fraction by another fraction. Multiply the dividend by the multiplicative inverse of the divisor. 2 by 5 divided 3 by 7 equal 2 by 5 into multiplicative inverse of 3 by 7, that is 7 by 3 equal 14 by 15. Okay students, the next is case 3 model questions. That means to divide a fraction by another fraction. The question is, find 2 by 5 divided 1 by 2. So here divide a fraction 2 by 5 divided by the another fraction 1 by 2. How will you do? Yes, multiply the, see, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. So multiply the dividend by, dividend is 2 by 5, first fraction, multiply by the multiplicative inverse of the divisor, second fraction. So multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Then multiplication of two fraction method, multiply the numerator by, multiply the denominator. Cancellation is not possible here. Okay. So 2 into 2, 4 by 1 into 5, 5. 4 by 5 was the answer. Listen the second question. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 9 divided. So division change into multiplication. This is the divisor. Second fraction. Take the reciprocal. That is 3 by 2. Then check any cancellation, simplification possible here. 2 and 4. So we can cancel by highest common factor. 2 and 4, 2. 2 1 times, 4 2 times. Then any cancellation possible here? Yes, 3 and 9. 3, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. See these numbers. Numerator 2 and 1, 2 into 1, 2 by denominator 3 into 1. This 3 into 1 is 3. So final answer we get 2 by 3. Then next question. 3 by by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Take the reciprocal of the or multiplicative inverse of the divisor. Second fraction. So first fraction same 3 by 7. Division change into multiplication. Then reciprocal of the divisor. 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. So simplification. Simplify. We can cancel 7 and 7. Numerator 1 7 is here. And the denominator 1 7. We can cancel 7 and 7. 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7. Then any cancellation possible here? No. 3 1 1 8 not possible. So 3 into 1. 3 by 1 into 8 is 8. 3 by 8 is the answer. Same model, another question. Find 2 by 5 divided 1 and 1 by 2. 2 by 5 divided 1 and 1 by 2. Here one fraction and a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction first convert into, yes, improper fraction. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by same denominator 2, 3 by 2. Here our last case, third case, fraction divided by another fraction. So multiply first fraction and the fraction and multiply the reciprocal of the divisor, second fraction. So second fraction is 3 by 2, reciprocal is 2 by 3. Then multiply. Check any cancellation possible here. No possible. Not possible. So equal to multiply the numerator 2 into 2 4 by multiply the denominator 5 into 3 15. And second question. Find 3 and 1 by 5 divided 1 and 2 by 3. Find 3 and 1 by 5 divided 1 and 2 by 3. So these two are the mixed fraction. Dividend and divisor also a mixed fraction. So we convert first, yes, improper fraction. 3 into 5 15 plus 1 16 by same denominator 5 divided 1 into 3 3 plus 2 5 by same denominator 3. Then fraction by divided by another fraction. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply. 5 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 5. Cancellation is, check any cancellation is possible here. Not possible. 16 3 numerator case. Denominator 5 and 5 not possible. So multiply 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is 6 3 is 18, 1, 1 3 is 3 plus 1, 4, 48 by 5 into 5 easy multiplication. 5 into 5 is 25. So 48 by 25 is a improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 48 divided by 25. Only one times 25. Remainder is 23. So we can write as answer. One more question, listen. Third question. 2 and 1 by 5 divided 1 and 1 by 5. So 2 and 1 by 5 mixed fraction divided by another mixed fraction 1 and 1 by 5. Change into improper. 2 into 5 10 plus 1 11 by 5 divided 1 into 5 5 plus 1 6 by same denominator 5. Fraction by another fraction division. So divide, multiply, division change into yes, multiplication, multiply the multiplicative inverse of the second fraction, that is 6 by 5. Multiplicative inverse is 5 by 6. Listen here, cancellation is possible. 5 and 5 we can cancel, 1. Next, no cancellation possible here. So multiply the numerator, 11 into 1, 11 by 1 into 6, 6. 11 by 6 is an improper fraction, convert into mixed. 11 divided by 6. 1 times 6, the balance is 5. 1 and 5 by 6. Clear all of you? Your today's homework questions. Okay students, I hope all of you understood today's class. Write all the problems explained in the video in your notes.